Share with you guys how we manage very decent profit from this movement to this movement. All right, you can see here right now the price developed three fractal, more or like look like a head and shoulder pattern, but we'll see. So technically the price developed this sort of consolidation, but within this consolidation, how we manage amazing profit this morning, let me explain to you, and with a complete detail and explanation to all of my traders. Hello traders, I hope guys you are having a very good day today, and today was an amazing trade. Most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. I just finished my London morning session. Just before I go for my lunch break, I would like to show you how I coach and train my trader with the live market in real time, and how I help them to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis. As always, if you would like to see all that show, all the analysis and the real-time help in real time, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how we manage amazing profit this morning. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel, and let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. All right, so if you look at the EURUSD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, yesterday we had such a nice beautiful short trade here. As mentioned, the support level in my yesterday analysis review, if you haven't seen it, you can watch that video. Link is given in the video description. So Asian session, we had some nice beautiful reversal, bank beautiful pips, and in London morning session we had a short trade here. So right now the price trap into the symmetric triangle pattern. We'll see guys how the market is going to react, but let me share with you how I analyze the market. And because my whole objective is to train my traders with the live market and give them explanation of each analysis in detail so they can practice in real time and they can learn in real time. All right, so look at this Asian session analysis. That's what I explained to my trader. Look here, we are technically price broken this one or respected this level. So first priority around this fib channel, looking for pullback short, right? And if you don't see, because the price was at the major support level, there's still possibility of reversal, right? So if we don't see any pullback, and if the price gonna break this fib channel and after the breakout price retest, then we're looking a long trade here. So once I explain my analysis, as you can see here, price did not develop any pullback, price broken as mentioned in the analysis and retest. That's what I explained my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit, because now we had a valid technical entry based on the 4-hour. We had a major support. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, as you can see here, and as if you look at in 4-hour and price developed a double top here, that's what I explained my trader just before London open. I explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. Let's see the market reaction. So once we bank some profit, and as you can see here, the price developed another situation at that time. So explain this is the point of interest, because the price broke on this one. There's a still possibility of pullback, but if the price gonna break, then keep taking up pullbacks. As you can see here, price slightly respected but did not respect it properly. We haven't seen any green candle here. So price broken, nicely hit to the profit target, take another pullback, bank few pp's, as you can see here. So right now the price is respecting it, and now I explain my trader look for this breakout. So you can see here guys how we analyze the market in 4-hour, how I analyze the market in intraday, and how I train my trader with a live market. That's the main purpose. All right, so let me share with you the pound dollar. Pretty straightforward guys. You can see here Asian session we had this long trade here, and technically if you look at here, price broken this previous low. Previously price respected here, so we're expecting sort of like a pullback here, and even if you look at here, the price respected here, so we're expecting a short trade here. So we had this beautiful short trade this morning, and as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And if I'll show you the analysis, and if you look at the analysis in more detail, and if you look at this is the analysis, this is the analysis at the Asian session. You can see here the price respected at the major support level at this level at the Asian session, and that's what I explained my trader look for. Price was at this level. I said to my trader, you can see here, that's what I explained. If you look at here, price came back here and said to me, if the price gonna break this level, which I mentioned here, you can see here then we're looking at short trade here. Otherwise, if the price reverse and break this level, pre-recent high, then we're taking this high, you can see at this level, then we're taking a long trade here, and afterwards you can see a break, retest, pull back. So that's what we explain with a live market, so they can experience it in real time and they can see the result. Right, so that's once in the morning just before London Open, we banked some profit, and I said to my trader, let's wait, because the price was at the major resistance level. As you can see here, price developed double top, bank few pp's, developed double top here, price respected the previous high, let the market break. You can see here price broken this recent low, and also you can see here price previously respected and broken, so there's still possibility of pullback. But let's say, so this is the point of interest based on the price action. That's what I explained my trader this morning with a live analysis. Look for this breakout. Safest way after the breakout, keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, price broken and retest, give a pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Let's see if you can squeeze another few pp's on the pullback. So you can see here that was a beautiful short trade here, and afterwards we have a few pp's pullback. So you can see here this morning, amazing trade on pound dollar. Right, so dollar CAD, if you look at dollar CAD Asian session, and if you look at here yesterday, price respected here. So we had the short trade here at the Asian session and banking some profit, and afterwards we have taken a long trade here. Let me explain to you how I did. So if you look at here, that's why we're watching live market and giving them the live market situation. That's the key important for intraday traders. So you can see at this Asian session, that was a beautiful breakout short trade here, and as soon as the price hit, either bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And in the London morning session, that's what I explained to my trader, look for technically we're looking a pullback. As you can see, we haven't seen any red candle here. Price supposed to respect but did not. As soon as the price broke on this one, then we said, okay, this is the point of interest. Why? We give them training to my trader why this is the point of interest. Let me explain to you guys. If you look at here, this level, price broken, did not maintain, broken and retest. So that's why this is the, and previously respected too. So I said to trader, if the price gonna break, then take a breakout and keep taking a pullback, or if the price gonna break, then take a short trade here. You can see here momentum was double bullish. That's what I explained my trader. Now guys, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had such a nice beautiful trade. As soon as the price hit around this major resistance level, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys how we analyze the market in 4 hours, how we analyze the entries and exit. The best trade we had it this morning, which is a pretty standard, pretty straightforward, that was the dollar yen pullbacks, and even the euro pound yen was a beautiful trade too. If you look at the dollar yen, that was a pretty straightforward. We were expecting this breakout this morning. We have this intraday, pretty straightforward. You can see here that was a beautiful breakout, symmetry triangle pattern, breakout and pullback long trade here, bank amazing profit. Another thing which is I want to show you guys, that is the pound yen trade here. Now let me share with you guys how we manage very decent profit from this movement to this movement. All right, you can see here right now the price developed three fractal, more like look like a head and shoulder pattern, but we'll see. So technically the price developed this sort of consolidation, but within this consolidation, how we manage amazing profit this morning, let me explain to you, and with a complete detail and explanation to all of my traders. So if you look at the euro pound yen, that was the beautiful trade guys. Okay, so this morning you can see here, this is the first analysis. As you can see here, just before London Open, look for this breakout, price broken, as you can see here, and retested, and said to guys, as long as the price does not break this one, we are expecting, you can see here, price broken, might gonna see this pullback. Then I have to build my trader confidence not to miss this opportunity. I update that analysis because we're communicating through live audio commentary. I said to my trader, look for this breakout. If you're not confident to take this short trade here, look for this one. So beautiful breakout, and I say guys, any pullback, just keep taking it. So beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit and look for another pullback. So another pullback is developed here, which is I broadcasted that analysis. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit this level, explain my trader, it's time to consider tightening your stop loss. There is still possibility price might going to reverse. So that's why we communicate through live audio commentary. And after that, as soon as the price reverse, then I explain to my trader, now we have 2-point level of interest. One, this one, which previously price respected, also respected here this level, or this one. If the price gonna break, then we can take a short trade. Then we're expecting a nice big short trade here. Otherwise, if the price gonna break, taking a long trade here, safest way, break and pull back, which you can see here, price broken and retest. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous high at this level, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we analyze at the same time, how we analyze entries and exit at the same time, how I train and coach my traders at the same time, because that's what I believe. You're going to trade, you're going to learn forex trading in real time, and you're going to develop your trading experience and confidence when you've been coached with the live market. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market in real time, and how I help my traders through live market, through live intraday analysis to bank amazing profit, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.